Welcome to PG Tech Tips. In today's video, I will be sharing with you some of my favorite custom launchers for Android. And starting with, in no particular order, Google Now Launcher. It is a very sleek, minimalistic launcher, and it doesn't offer a tremendous amount of customization, but it has the Google Now option, and if you scroll to the left, you get all of these notifications and whatnot. So they call them tiles or cards with pertinent information to things you've been searching or things that are happening in News Now. They share with you your weather and, as I said, pertinent information to things you've been searching up. That is very nice, and I love it. The next one would be Nova Launcher, and Nova Launcher is, again, very sleek, but it's not as minimalistic, and it's a lot more customizable. You can go to Settings, and all of these customizations down here, you can do gestures. So let's say I have it set up right now. So if I flick up, I can go to recent tasks, which is very useful. And if they just got a bunch of really cool ones there. The next one would be again, it's very customizable. You can play around the settings. And the next one would be Smart Launcher, and this is for those who don't really want to deal with havoc of icons on your screen. So you get your few main icons, and then you just get your app tray, and you can go through that. And what's cool about this one is it separates it into different app groups. So you have your communication, your internet, your games, your media, utility, and settings, which that is nice, and I do enjoy that. It occasionally places the app in the wrong selection, but that's no big deal. And lastly would be Action 3 Launcher, and this one I happen to really like because it adds this side-scrolling thing, which is cool. So instead of having your app drawer as it normally is, which you can do that too, it also has it so if you scroll to the left like Google Now where it gives you cards, this one gives you all of your apps in order and whatnot. And it does a couple other cool things. It is customizable, not as customizable as some of the others. You can get themes and whatnot. You can edit your themes. You can change different settings. You can change your app drawer, so you can change how the grid and whatnot. And I think that's the basics of the, I think that was 4 or 3 Android launchers that I tend to use on my Android devices. I really like these ones. I recommend them to you with some pretty high esteem for the most part. But if you don't really want to deal with these, you can goof around. There's also the Go launcher. They've got tons of other launchers you can use. These are just my personal favorite. I'll be honest, my personal favorite is Google Now. Then it would have to be Nova Launcher, and then Smart Launcher, then Action 3. I really like Google Now. So that's all for this video. Thank you for joining me. This is PG Tech Tips signing out.